Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to vlog and edit. First, define your niche and target audience to create engaging content. Plan your video structure, including an intro, main points, and a call to action. Practice speaking clearly and confidently to the camera, making eye contact. Remember, authenticity resonates most with viewers, so be yourself. When filming, ensure your background is tidy and appealing. Experiment with different angles and perspectives to add visual variety. Don't forget to capture plenty of B-roll footage. These extra shots can really elevate your final edit. Always check your audio levels before you start recording to avoid muffled sound. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. Just like a great vlog needs clear audio, your home deserves amazing sound. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now, let's dive into editing. Begin by organizing your raw footage into folders for easy access. Start by cutting out any dead air or awkward moments to keep your video concise. Focus on creating a smooth flow between scenes, ensuring your story progresses logically from start to finish. To make your vlog truly shine, consider adding some background music. Choose tracks that enhance the mood without distracting from your voice. Use text and graphics to highlight important points or introduce new segments. Finally, color correction can make a huge difference, giving your video a polished and professional appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.